Hey everybody, on this video we're going to do a Tibbe pick and decode video here using a Tibbe pick. And I've already cut the key for it. If you want to see the key being cut, I'll put a video at the end of this video, and also in the top right corner you can check out actually cutting a Tibbe key. See, it's kind of a different looking key here. It's a disc detainer lock instead of a like a wafer lock or pin tumbler lock. Anyway, so to pick and decode it here, I've got a little tool here to insert it all the way through all of our rotators to keep the tool aligned properly when you insert it in. Put it in, and then see if I can sort of zoom in here so you guys can hopefully see. All right, and then all the Tibbe locks will all turn to the lock direction with a blank key or any cut key or the pick, but it won't go to unlock unless all the discs are rotated into the right place. And to rotate them in the right place, the first thing we'll do is just go put everything as far counterclockwise as we can, and then we see this one doesn't move. That's going to be a number 4 cut, and that's what we're going to use to actually tension it. I'm just going to go through, and you're just feeling here if it's in a false gate, it's kind of tight. When it gets into the correct gate, it gets real loose like that. One's already loose. Click there. And so get my hand out of the way. Okay, this one's actually moving through the whole range without any resistance at all here, so I'm going to leave this one alone for right now. Okay, and I got the number 5 here actually, I believe is set right there. Yeah, sometimes what can actually help here, if you've just got one that's kind of like free spinning, kind of can wiggle the tool a little bit. And there we go, so we actually got it picked there. So it just dropped into the right gate, and it's actually picked. So then to read it, I'm going to go ahead and rotate everything as far counterclockwise as we can, and we can let the tool come back. And then we're just going to read it down the line here. So we know that number 4 here is a 4 cut. So you're just going to read from a straight line down from that. So starting from, 1 at the tip here. Looks like our bidding is going to be 3, 2, I'm sorry, reading that wrong here. Looks like it's going to be 3, 1, 2, 4, 2, 3. And that's what the bidding on this lock is. It's just a straight line. You just want to line up, our known cuts of 4, and then just right down the line there is what our cuts would be. You're starting from the tip of the lock at 1 and going backwards. So 3, 1. 2, 4, 2, 3. And then of course, once again, that's what the actual key looks like. And so there'll be a video at the top right corner at the end of this if you do want to see a Tibbe key being cut. Questions or comments, I'll leave them in the comments. And until next time, well, I'll talk to everybody later.